Hey, what's up everybody? Today we are going to be making one of my favorite easy weeknight pasta meals, garlic butter shrimp pasta. Let's go. First, we have to cook the pasta. So I have some thick spaghetti that I picked up and I'm just going to cook it per the package instructions. But I'm going to knock off about 3 to 4 minutes of the cooking time just because the pasta will cook for the rest of the way through in the pan once we've created like that garlicky, buttery rich sauce. But I don't want to get ahead of myself. So first I'm going to start off on our shrimp. So I have some frozen shrimp that I picked up and I just thawed it out and seasoned it lightly with some salt. And now I'm just sauteing it with a lot of butter and a little bit of fresh minced garlic. Now, similar to the pasta, you do not want to cook the shrimp all the way through in the pan right here. So just about a minute on each side and then remove it from the heat. And now I'm just going to add a little bit more butter to that same pan. And now it's going to be time to really start to like saute and kind of fry the garlic that I chopped up in this butter. And it's going to get nice and foamy. The butter's going to kind of brown a little bit, as you'll see in a little bit. And yeah, I'm just going in with a little bit of sliced garlic as well as some fresh minced garlic. And that's about 5 to 6 cloves of garlic all in all. But you can definitely add more or less. You know, this is garlic butter shrimp pasta, so I wanted a whole lot of garlic in there. And I like to actually slice the garlic just so you can kind of get like bigger chunks in there. And so when it fries up, it'll get slightly crispy. And yeah, this part right here was just so good. I love garlic, and so yeah, this was perfect for me, y'all. But now as you see, that butter is getting nice and foamy and it's kind of browning up a little bit, and that is perfect. But at this time you also want to make sure that you're not burning the garlic, so that's why you see me kind of just stirring it all up together. So now that we have the base of the sauce already started to cook for about a minute and a half, now I'm going to go in with some oyster sauce, about a tablespoon, as well as about a tablespoon and a half of soy sauce. That's regular soy sauce. You can use dark soy if you prefer. You can use light soy sauce. Do whatever you want to do, y'all. So to add a lot more richness and to really just stay true to the name of the dish, I'm going in with some more butter, about 2 tablespoons of butter right here. And this sauce is really coming together. It looks so good. And I decided to add a little bit of that pasta water just to kind of get everything started for the pasta. And you know, I'm going to be adding in a little bit more pasta water a little bit later, but I wanted to kind of just get everything started and just to make sure that I kind of pick up a lot of those bits on the bottom of the pan. So now you can see instantly that pasta is just drinking up all of that sauce that we created in the pan. Now I am going to add in that shrimp that we cooked a little bit earlier. You know, we didn't cook it all the way through, so now it's the perfect time to really kind of like bring it all the way up to temperature and really make sure that we cook it all the way through. So I just lightly kind of just toss it up and let it cook for about a minute or so. And now as you see, I added in a little bit more pasta water, a couple of ladles full, and I'm just going to incorporate all of that, stir it all up together, bring that pasta water back up to temperature a little bit, and again, like before, you'll see that that pasta is just instantly soaking up all of that starchy pasta water, and it's really kind of like bringing the sauce all together, sticking everything up. As you see, for the final little touches, I just went in with a little bit of parmesan cheese, and that just created a nice creamy texture to this pasta and really just brought everything together. It really just kind of like brought the sauce and the pasta and the shrimp all together and made it one cohesive, married kind of dish, y'all. And I'm just stirring that all up together just to make sure that pasta kind of like soaks up the last little bit of that pasta water, because you know that is the goal. The goal is to just make sure that this is not too saucy. The star is really the buttery rich kind of like noodles that we made with all of that garlic that we chopped up and kind of like sauteed in that butter. Of course, you can't forget the shrimp. They're nice and buttery and succulent, nicely seasoned. You see this pasta dish right here. This pasta dish right here. Y'all, you really cannot beat this. It is only like a handful of ingredients to really make this sauce. And it's, again, this is customizable. You can sub out some of the ingredients. You can sub out that oyster sauce. You can put a little bit of barbecue sauce. That actually probably would be really good. And yeah, y'all, do whatever you want to do with this dish and make it your own. So like I always say, I hope you enjoyed the video and the recipe. Let me know if you try it out. You can leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of the video. And y'all, I will see you in the next video. Later.